There are 6 steps that are helpful in solving word problems. The first step is to read the problem. Make sure you understand it. Sometimes it might mean reading it 2 or 3 times. Sometimes it means drawing a diagram or making an illustration. Once we understand the problem, we want to assign a variable for the unknown. And then using that variable, write the word problem as an equation. Solve the equation, and then sometimes the solution to the equation is not all. Sometimes there's more than one answer expected. So we want to answer the question or the questions asked. And then check back to see if it makes sense. All right, so for the first problem, a bakery baked a total of 98 cookies of 3 kinds: chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, and peanut butter. The number of oatmeal raisin cookies was twice the number of peanut butter cookies. The number of chocolate chip cookies was 3 more than the oatmeal raisin. We want to find the number of cookies of each type. So let's let X equal, let's see, the oatmeal raisin cookies was described in terms of the number of peanut butter cookies. And the peanut butter cookies, the chocolate chip, was described in terms of the oatmeal raisin cookies. So the bottom of all of this is the peanut butter cookies, so let's let X equal to the number of peanut butter cookies. Now the oatmeal raisin cookies, the number of oatmeal raisin cookies was twice the number of peanut butter cookies, so that would be 2X. Now the number of chocolate chip cookies was 3 more than the oatmeal raisin cookies, so the number of chocolate chip cookies was the number of oatmeal raisin cookies plus 3. Now we assigned a variable. Now we want to write this word problem as an equation. Well, the total number of cookies was 98. So if we add the number of peanut butter cookies plus the number of oatmeal raisin cookies plus the number of chocolate chip cookies, we should get 98. So to solve this equation, we'll collect our like terms. So x plus 2x plus 2x, it's 5x, plus 3 equals 98. So I have 5x equals 95. So x equals 19. So the x stands for the number of peanut butter cookies. It's not the answer to the question. They wanted to know the number of cookies of each type. So the oatmeal raisin cookies was twice the number of peanut butter cookies. So that's 2x. 2 times 19, or 38. Now the number of chocolate chip cookies was 3 more than the number of oatmeal raisin cookies. So we'll take the 2x, or the 38, and we'll add 3 more. Number of chocolate chip cookies. So to see if it makes sense, let's just check. If we add the number of peanut butter cookies plus the number of oatmeal raisin cookies plus the number of chocolate chip cookies, we should get the total number of cookies. Okay, Brad Bratt is a waiter. He gets paid $5.75 per hour, and he can keep his tips. He knows his tips average $8.80 per table. If he worked an 8-hour shift and took home $169.20, how many tables did he serve? Okay, so we want to know how many tables he served. So let's let X equal to the number of tables served. Now he gets paid a salary plus tips for the evening. So the salary plus the tips was his total take-home pay. For his salary, he makes $5.75 an hour, and he works a total of 8 hours. Plus the amount he makes in tips. Well, he makes $8.80 per table. So it would be $8.80 times the number of tables he served, and that's equal to the $169.20. So if I multiply the $5.75 times 8, I get $46. That's the salary, plus the $8.80 for each table. Okay, now I'll just solve it. So subtract the 46 from both sides. So I have $8.80 x equals $123.20. Divide by the 880. And I see he worked 14 tables. Well, that answers the question because we wanted to know how many tables did he serve. So let's just check it, see if it makes sense. All right, so if he makes $5.75 for each of 8 hours, okay, he makes a salary of $46. Then for his tips, if he gets $8.80 for each table, so altogether for the tips, he gets $123.20. So if we add the salary plus the tips, I get $169.20. Okay, that makes sense. So my answer is 14 tables.